and minister to her honor and goodwill. Louder.
I do.
Do you, Michaela, take Russ to be your husband? Do you pledge your love and faith to him in care, integrity, and tenderness throughout your life, agreeing to cherish him and minister to his honor and goodwill?
I do.
Yay. Louder.
I do.
Okay. At this time, you guys have some personal vows you'd like to read to each other. Let's give it a try.
Okay. Russ, I can't believe this day is finally here. I am so proud of us and the path that we have taken to get here. So today, I take you as you are, the man that I fell in love with, and the man that I'm so proud to call my husband. I promise to love you without condition, to honor you each and every day, to laugh with you when you're happy, to support you when you're sad, to guide you when you ask for direction, to challenge you to be a better person, and to remind you to be your biggest fan, and you're ever present with me audience, to speak when words are needed, to share the silence when it is not. But most importantly, to live within the warmth of your heart and always to let it on.
Peanut gallery back there. First of all, I love you. The man you see today because of you. You are my every dream that I've ever had. To this day, I'm still amazed when I look at you. Not just because of your beauty, but because, not just because of your beauty, but because of the fact that everything I've ever wanted is right here in front of me today. To all the people here and those who passed before us, I promise to be your best husband, friend, and father. I promise to love you, to listen to you, to make you laugh, to honor you, and to protect you for the rest of our lives.
Nice job, you guys. Okay. Russ, you need to repeat after me. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Want to hold your hand? What's that called? Swing. I like it. All right. Good. I, Russ, take you, Michaela, to be my lawfully wedded wife, my constant friend, my faithful partner, and my love from this day forward. In the presence of God, our family and friends, I offer you my solemn vow to be your faithful partner in sickness and in health, in good times and in bad, and in joy as well in sorrow. I promise to love you unconditionally, to support you in your goals, to honor and respect you, to laugh with you, and cry with you, to cherish you for as long as we both shall live. Here we have rings. Okay, repeat after me. I give you this ring in token of my devotion and love. pledge to you all that I am,
Pledge to you all that I am.
and join my life to yours.
Join my life to yours.
With this ring I thee wed.
With this ring I thee wed.
Michaela, repeat after me. I, Michaela,
I, Michaela,
take you, Russ, to be my lawfully wedded husband,
be my lawfully husband,
my constant friend, my faithful partner, and my love from this day forward. In the presence of God, our family and friends, I offer you my solemn vow to be your faithful partner in sickness and in health, in good times and in bad, and in joy as well as in sorrow. I promise to love you unconditionally. I promise to love you unconditionally. To support you in your goals. To honor and respect you. To laugh with you. And cry with you. To cherish you for as long as we both shall live. Chris. I give you this ring.
I really give you this
In token of my devotion and love.
token of my devotion and love,
And with my heart, I pledge to you all that I am.
I pledge to you with all that I am,
And join my life to yours.
and join my life.
With this ring I thee wed.
With this ring, I do wed.
Yeah. May kind God now bless you and all of us here today as family, and bless this marriage and this home, wherever you may be. And so it is. In closing, we have a wedding prayer. Take another deep breath. Look at the crowd. They're all happy. Go ahead. Okay. The wedding is not over. It has just begun. Not once and forever, but again and again shall the mystery of two people together in love move one another and touch the world. For marriage is not something said and done, but a promise whose fulfillment is acted out in time. Truth remains elusive, death a secret, love a challenge. Life goes on neither more or less incidentally than before, but one's hand is straightened, one's way brightened, one's load, if not lightened, is made easier to bear. So for Michaela and Russ, we simply pray that the promises have a long and excellent fulfillment, that the company be good and the seasons joyous all along the way. By the authority vested in me by the state of Hawaii, I now pronounce you husband and wife. And share your first kiss as Mr. and Mrs. Williams.
Amen.